today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Today we're going to take a ride to Silver Springs State Park in Silver Springs, Florida. Do a little bit of kayaking. Hope we see some monkeys. Crystal clear. Some kind of fortress in there. We got a gator and a bunch of turtles. Oh, they're all going. Another gator. Oh, that's alright. Another gator. Yeah, that's a big one.
Oh, he's got it.
Clear and pretty deep. It's probably 20 feet deep here or more.
I missed it. It was behind you.
When I see stuff like this, I try to imagine being a couple hundred years ago, 500 years ago, you know what I mean?
Yep, he is.
Oh, there's one right here, laying, oh,
Oh yeah, he's in the weeds.
oh, he's looking at me. You see him move?
Hey buddy. Mama's got a dragonfly. They like you. Must be that green, or maybe you smell.
Yeah.
There's not a cloud in the sky.
He's still sitting there, Daddy.
Still sitting there. Oh, you got a new pet.
Oh my God, there's like hundreds of little minnows in here.
Oh, there he is. Oh, jeez, I almost ran into one. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. I didn't see you. I was looking at that other one and I almost ran into this one.
He's mad at you.
See him?
Well, I dropped my phone in the water because I didn't have it in my pocket getting out of the kayak, but it's still good. It's good. Time for lunch. There's the monkeys.
Hi! Have I got a baby?
Yeah, a couple of them. Yeah, some babies. Oh, they're in the trees too. Yeah. Oh, there's one up in the tree?
Yeah. I'm scared to get under
Right
them.
above Dad.
Sorry if I bumped you.
No, that's alright. I'm not even knowing where I'm going here. All the monkeys are all through here. Oh, they're fighting. Oh man.
That's a good place for little things, huh?
Oh, there he goes. Oh, there's two of them.
Yep, I can see now he's moving.
I can almost smell your stinky fanooter from here.
So right in here.
Yeah, when they're going through the jungle, boy, they really make a racket, huh?
Yeah.
When they were screaming before. He's eating something.
Last time we saw them, they were jumping. This time we got to see them in their little
There's two of them there.
resting zone. It was nice.
That's pretty cool. We need to go into a zoo.
Yeah, wild.
They drive in Florida. That's kind of, they drive right up on your butt.
Like turtles.
Is he grooming?
He's hanging out. Nah, he's just looking around. They're up in the trees.
That does sound right.
Boy, there are a lot of monkeys. What's up, buddy? Yeah, you. Hey, what's up? What's up? Might tap you. Nope. That's it. Adventure's over. At least we got to see monkeys. I even got another duck today. Except he was so jealous he didn't want to tell me about it. I was hoping I noticed, but ducked again.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.